Sakto lang. Ito eh, kita mo tambay ito.
Kilo kaya?
Ha?
Kilo.
Guys, brato kilo kaya? Hindi na pagpakilo.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah. So, shoutout sa owner ng bike na to, na si Bro JC Pagbubasan. Uy, naku, uy, naku. Eh, sabi niya, stock ko lang daw muna doon. Ay, tama. Doon sa bahay namin kasi hindi daw magamit-gamit dahil sa trabaho. Sabi niya, kung gusto mo vlog at ayaw mo madumihan yung motor mo, vlog mo yung motor ko. Bad trip kasi. Medyo tag-ulan ngayon na naman. Ang bigat. Asan na yun? So pupunta muna tayo kay tropa na si Ariel or aka Baboy. Naalala nyo ba yung 2-stroke na ginagamit ko dati? Jag 50. Papayas siya sana. So dadalawin lang muna natin dito saglit. Ewan ko lang, sana nandito siya. Ayun! Taga na yan.
Darang na ba kaya? Ito.
Te.
Hindi mo na yan. Darang.
Gagir. Kraan nakatagiya. Gagir.
Ito.
So then?
Uy, balay.
Okay ba? Tawari na ay. Pag yun mo sa baras-baras.
Kasi mo nagawa tayo. Pag gusto, bilhin na naya na.
Ano, te man? Te, sige, pwede man eh. Ha? Tulod di karon kung ano man na. Let's go Pupo, tara lagi. Okay, steady lang bro. Op, ya, mani popcorn, steady lang. Putang, ay! Kaya sir ah. Okay, putang yun. Kaya sir. Rusi gama lang sa kalam. Oy boy. Ayo, what's up? So iwan muna natin dyan si Glenda. Bye Glenda, see you mamaya. Ni sadlang baras yung karburador na dyan.
Doon, may tambra na. May tambay na kanutok. Kaya lang ba yun?
Fire.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah.
appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Inspired by worth, desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Ang gabi tayo, abi to. Sabi.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be
Natin. Try kaya namin mag-gauge, no? Ng itong Uzi Gamma 200 versus yun, Pinoy 125. On dito naman na straight galing. Yung two-way sa taklatan. O, dito na lang. Sarapa? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ano? Ha? Babaw si Pal na, kung anta ka. Pero sprocket mo, 36?
14.
36, 14.
Nalali ko good, pero mulot.
Abi mo, biyaan mo din ko ah. Tumba na rin mo siya ito 20 mong ge. Be, doon na idlaw kang sounds na kayo.
Guys,
Sound check, sound check.
sound check.
Plastic Lodi. Yung Lodi, plastic. Sa totoong reason lang, ayaw ko to ilabas kasi walang gasolina.
Ano?
Ay, lagyo, ganda. Palagyo siya.
Ano yung bagong project?
Bagong project. Lumang na bagong project. Testing kami, bay. Motor na, rayom na raw. Ay, kagangana.
Testingan na yun. Ina lagi, tapos na na. Ina pa testingan yun. Sino tayo ya?
Amura.
Kanina, batakit naman yun. Nakakakarito.
Good. Yung lang mga say thank you ano sa mga viewers ta sa mga naglantaw.
First of all,
Yes.
thank you very much.
Yung kananay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All viewers.
Dapat ano, shout out mo dahil mga ano. Uy! Lo!
Uy, bago na tayo.
Outro na ganyan, matapos na.
So, yun. Paalam na. Shoutout pala sa lahat ng mga Onikumoto vlogs yan.
So guys, sama muna tayo sa daily routine ni Makmak. Saan na ba yun? Ayan. So magdadamog muna siya ng ayam. Pakain muna kami ng ido. So, nandito na kami sa Sinaha. Ano to Lods ang ano mo kaya na shout out mo sino?
Shout out gali kay John Fritz Gerald nga kadura-dura.
Pirmi lang siya kadula no.
Nagagapunaw. Punaw siya gapunaw.
So goods na tayo guys. Balik tayo sa bahay. No? Shout out to. Balik ka na to.
Ang bakit ka manapol.